On this weekend's video, we are unboxing my brand new Recaro SR7. I can't believe I just said that. So here they are in the flesh in my garage, literally straight from the motherland. This was literally an impulse buy. I am not gonna lie to you guys. This was not in the plans yet. There are a couple of things that I have to do, but I just couldn't let this go. It was a great deal, and trust me, my Recaros have seen better days. Again, they're still mint. You know, not mint. I wouldn't call them mint. I will say like 7 or 8 out of 10. But here they are. Recaro's SR7s. I still haven't unboxed them at all. I would be lying though if I said I didn't open one just to make sure they were the color I wanted. I did do that. I literally opened it, checked to see if it was the color I wanted, and I closed it back up. I still haven't unboxed it. So let's just go ahead, because literally this has been sitting in my garage for the past 2 weeks and I haven't unboxed it. So who does that? Let's go ahead and unbox these. Alrighty, so I'm so excited to unbox this. I have my sister holding the camera for me. So let's go ahead, see what we got here. Literally, this was in the plans. Like, I was gonna do my interior, just not so soon. So yeah. Let's go ahead. Perfect packaging, obviously. Ooh. I'm literally like a little kid unboxing these. Where do we start from? Alright. Let's go ahead. Woo! Oh my god. Bro, they look so good. Alright, let's take all of this off. Holy crap. We're definitely gonna have to do some cleaning. Oh my god. Let's go. Little stuff like that straight from Japan is like crazy. Like all the words and stuff, like I wonder what it means. It looks so good. So here we are. Recaro's SR7s, all black. You guys know how I am. I keep everything super simple, super clean. I just want to unbox these. Like, can I just... Alright, so they're one piece. Completely like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the floor, and then let me see if we're missing anything else, anything important. Nah, we're good to go. So I can fit in here. Let's go ahead. This is the box that I did unbox to make sure that it was black, so that's why it is open. We'll go ahead and oh my god, it's kind of, I mean, you guys have seen me grab this. It's not that heavy either, so it's always, you know, good to have a seat like that for the track. Let me go ahead and remove this. I'll go ahead and put this here for now. It looks so good. Woo. Bro. Oh my god, they're so soft. Wow. This is super soft and super nice. So this is what I love. This is the, let me unbox. This is the most horrible unboxing video. This is just an extra video I wanted to do for you guys, because a lot of people have been asking me what seats I got, and I had to unbox it, you know, show you guys, because I'm not gonna do this for a while, I think. Let me see, do I just like, how do I put this up? Bro, this is gonna look so good. So, it's so light, it's insane. Ooh, and it has the rails in the bottom, so it might fit. I don't even know if these are gonna fit with the OEM rails. It's kind of bothering me that there's like little dust particles on it. I'm gonna be like super OCD about the seat. This is the Recaro SR7 KK100, which what it means is that the cheeks and everything is a little bit more higher, so it kind of holds you in place while you're obviously driving on a track or whatever. But they're also reclinable to the point where I could still street drive the car and be comfortable. I have so many friends of mine that have bucket seats and it is not comfortable whatsoever. I am 6'4", so trust me, I needed something that I could recline on, at least for this car. If I do ever build, not if I ever do build, I am going to build a track inspired car completely, then for sure, obviously I will go with like a mounted fixed seat, but it looks so good. One thing that really sold me on these seats is the fact that it has the Recaro in the back as well. And I don't know about you guys, but when you take pictures on an Evo or any car and you see this Recaro coming from the rear view mirror, it looks so clean. So little things like that, like I'm into all of these JDM stuff, like little simple stuff like that makes me happy and it makes me complete. So let me go ahead and open the other seat. I'm gonna go ahead and measure it. I need to sit, like I wanna sit on this. Can I sit on this, put it on the floor? Is this floor clean first of all? Yeah, it's pretty clean. I'll go ahead and put this here just in case. I wanna go ahead and sit on this. It looks so good. I need to look at it from afar. It looks really good. So, I want to go ahead and sit on it and see. Oh my God. Kimberly, this is so comfy. So, this is what I mean about, obviously I'll be sitting down with my legs down and everything. This is what I mean about the KK100. As you can see, the cheeks are literally, and even the back, it's like so perfect. Like if you imagine yourself, it's literally holding me in. I feel like these seats were meant for me. I'm not even kidding. Like you can see my perfect, like it's literally like perfect size here, perfect size on my legs. It's not gonna send me anywhere. Like it's meant to keep my body in place, which is another good reason why I bought them, obviously. This is really comfy. I'm so excited about this. So, I'll go ahead and let me unbox the second seat, and then of course we'll measure them, make sure that they actually do fit in the car, because they look like they do, obviously, but I still have to check that out. It looks so good. Okay, you can stop. So here they are, both together. They look so good, so good. It's insane. I don't know. I'm truly blessed to be able to do this stuff. Like it always hits me. Like, you know, I don't know. Like I literally used to dream about this. I don't know if any of you guys care, but like I literally used to dream about all of this stuff, and none of this goes for granted. Like I literally mean it. Like building this car, it's been a dream come true. Honestly, like. Everything that I've done to this car, I envisioned myself doing 5, 7, 8 years ago. Like I see my posts on Facebook that I posted 8 years ago about me dreaming about this exact moment. So I never take anything for granted. This is honestly like a blessing, obviously, that I'm able to buy seats like this. But anyways, enough of me ranting. You might be asking yourself, why are you buying new Recaros when your car comes OEM with Recaros? This car has 160,000 miles. I think I'm planning on keeping this car forever. If I do paint this car, that's it. This car is staying with me forever. But let me show you guys how my seats look. I still haven't detailed, just in case I do post this video before I finish my detail series. This interior still hasn't been detailed, so you guys are seeing the interior super dirty. But these are 160,000 miles. Like you can see it, like I don't even have to do any explaining whatsoever. Again, I am going to detail these seats, and they're gonna probably look brand new, to be honest. I've done it already one time. I'm gonna do it again, and it's probably gonna come out brand new. The only issue with these seats,
are literally the passenger, I mean not the passenger, the driver's side. Obviously this right here, it gets wasted, the cheek. Besides that, the Recaros are in good condition. I mean, you could clean them. I'm going to clean them in the detail series, and they're going to come out brand new. They're literally good, you know, good to go. This is the back, so you guys can see that they're literally pretty much, I wouldn't say mint, because for me mint is 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10. This is like an 8. I would say 8 or 7. So this is why I'm switching them. I mean, take a look at this. Just consider this. This right here, OEM, to this. Like, it's insane. I honestly love these seats. These weren't actually even the seats I was gonna get. I got a good deal, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pull the trigger. You know, these things happen like that. Like, honestly, sometimes you're not even looking for parts, and it just comes to you, and that was the case with these seats. The thing that literally caught my attention and made me buy them, it wasn't even the seat. I mean, the seat does look good, and I love the fact that the cheeks are so high. Like, look at that. It's like you're literally not gonna go anywhere. And for the track, trust me, this does not do almost anything. As you guys can see, it's almost like just even. Obviously, it does have a little bit of a cheek, but the major selling point again had to be, as I step all over bow wrap, had to be the rear Recaro embroidered logo. That to me, I don't know, me being a kid, Super Street magazine, and seeing all those shots from the rear glass, like this, and then you see obviously the Recaro logo through the glass with a CPL filter. I don't know. Again, I know I'm a little bit, it's like little details like that literally like drive me insane. Like, I just love the fact that it says Recaro on the back. So these are gonna be the new seats. I hope you guys like them. I did this quick video just, again, because I was getting so many DMs with people asking me what seats you got, what seats you got. I was like, you know what, let me do a quick extra video for the channel and do an unboxing of these seats, because literally, they look so good. They just look so good. Compared to this, again, we're gonna go to this, and I almost forgot, I need your guys' help. You guys know I'm not just gonna drop these seats in the car with the interior the way it is. So, quick thing, I am going to do an interior build series. I am going to remodel this whole interior. So I am already decided on doing black Alcantara, obviously to keep the OEM feel going on. Now, I'm gonna keep secret what I'm gonna do in the front, but my question for you guys is, let me go ahead and go around. My questions for you guys is, what do I do with the rear of the interior? I'm obviously not gonna keep this blue because it's not gonna match with the brand new Recaros. So I have two options, and I wanna see what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Should I get these upholster so I keep my rear seats upholster in black Alcantara, just like this? I'll probably do something along the line, something OEM, something super clean, but get these reupholster in black so it can match the front seats, and you know, the whole interior flows well together. Or get a rear carbon fiber delete. They sell them. I'll put some pictures here if I do find some on Google. Get this deleted and have a rear carbon fiber panel that looks literally insane. It's literally just like a rear carbon fiber panel that deletes the seats. I know it will look insane, but again, how functional is that? Like, I'm gonna lose 3 seats. Like right now, I could literally have friends and come in, they could sit here, and I could drive the car. I do drive this car. It's not only a track car, it's not only a show car. You guys know that I do drive this car. So do you guys think that I should remove the seats, do the rear carbon fiber delete, and it's gonna look insane, I know that, but then I'm losing seats, you know, I'm losing the function of a 4-door car. I'm basically gonna have only 2 seats. Or should I get these reupholster to match my new Recaro seats and just call it a day, and it's still gonna look super good? So let me know what you guys think I should do to the interior. That will help me out tremendous to see what you guys think. I think I have my mindset already, but I'm 50-50 so far. And just like that, I'm going to be ending the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed this little extra video of me unboxing my new Recaro seats, which I'm super excited about. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about the interior. What should I do with the rear seats? I'm very curious to see what you guys say. Man, keep grinding for what you guys want. Like, in life is so short. You only live once.
Like, just go out for your dreams. Go out and do what you love to do. Like right now you're watching this video, like you're currently watching this video. I'm almost sure you have something important to do to make you one step closer to your goal. Stop watching this and go and complete that goal you have. Go and complete that to-do you have. Stop procrastinating. If you're at work, if you're at bed, after this video, get up and do what you have to do, because it's insane what you can accomplish. And I mean that, like, I get super emotional because it's like, it's insane what you can accomplish by just working hard and doing what you like, working towards your goals and doing what you love to do. Like, this is literally what I love to do. This is literally what I do every single weekend. Ask any close friend, any family member. This is where I live. Like, I literally stay in the garage working on this car every single day, every single minute. And I love it. I love it to the, like, you guys have no idea. Like, I love everything that I do. So go out and work towards your goal. Like, I mean that. Like, just end this video and go out and do your thing. Hustle. And like always, keep grinding. I'll see you guys next weekend. Take care.